Experiencing intermittent wipers in your Tesla Model S? This video will guide you through common causes and solutions. First, ensure your Tesla software is up to date. Tesla often addresses wiper issues with over-the-air updates. Check for the latest version in your settings. Next, a simple reset might do the trick. Try turning off automatic wipers and then re-enabling them. If that doesn't work, move on to our more in-depth checks. The primary culprit for intermittent wipers is often the rain sensor. Located on the windshield, this sensor detects moisture to automatically control the wipers. Start by cleaning the sensor area with a microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol. Dirt or streaks can interfere with its readings, preventing accurate moisture detection. If cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, the sensor may need recalibration. This can be done through the Tesla service menu or by scheduling a service appointment. Misalignment, particularly after a windshield replacement by a non-certified installer, is a common cause of sensor issues. Always use certified Tesla professionals for repairs. The wiper stalk on your steering column controls manual wiper functions. Inspect the stalk for any signs of damage or loose connections. Wiring issues or corrosion can cause intermittent operation. If you're comfortable, carefully check the wiring harness connected to the stalk. Otherwise, a Tesla service technician can diagnose and repair any stalk-related problems. This is especially relevant for older Model S units where corrosion may be a factor. A blown fuse can completely disable your Tesla Model S wipers by cutting power to the system. The fuse box is located under the driver's side hood, near the front of the vehicle. To identify the correct fuse for the wipers, refer to your Tesla Model S manual. The wiper circuit is typically protected by fuse 17 or 18, depending on the model year. To check the fuse, carefully remove it from the fuse box using a plastic tool to avoid damage. Inspect the thin metal filament inside. If it's broken or melted, the fuse is blown and needs replacement. If the fuse is blown, replace it with a new fuse of the exact same amperage rating. Use the color code chart to ensure you select the correct replacement. Insert it firmly into the same slot. A blown fuse often indicates an electrical surge or short circuit in the system. If the new fuse blows again, do not keep replacing it. This could cause further damage. Contact Tesla Service for professional diagnosis and repair. Tesla vehicles rely heavily on software for many functions, including the wiper system. Software glitches can sometimes cause intermittent wiper issues. A soft reset can resolve minor software issues. Hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen goes black. For more persistent problems, consider a full system reset, although this may require assistance from Tesla Service. Software updates regularly include fixes and improvements to the wiper system's logic, so staying current is key. For example, version 2025.48.1 enhanced diagnostics for the rain sensor system. Wiper blades are often overlooked, but worn ones can cause poor performance. Streaking or skipping interferes with the rain sensor's moisture detection. The rain sensor is mounted on the windshield behind the rearview mirror. Look for these signs of wear: squeaking, smearing, streaking, chattering, and split rubber. Examples include cracked, torn, or damaged blades that affect wiper performance. Replace wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, or sooner if you notice any signs of wear. Ensure you're using the correct size and type for your Model S. High-quality blades will provide better visibility and reduce the likelihood of sensor interference. The future of Tesla wiper systems is moving toward AI-driven diagnostics that can predict potential issues before they occur. By 2026, newer models will feature predictive maintenance alerts that notify owners of sensor problems before failure. Vision-based systems are integrating cameras and LiDAR for more reliable rain detection. This reduces dependence on manual wiper controls as autonomous systems handle environmental sensing automatically. Looking ahead to 2030, advanced neural networks may eliminate the need for physical rain sensors entirely. Software-centric solutions promise to reduce hardware failures and improve performance through sensor redundancy and ultrasonic alternatives. These innovations bring key benefits: fewer hardware failures, improved wiper performance, and enhanced reliability in adverse conditions like fog or hail.